Hi, and welcome back to a new season. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this no makeup look with only a total of 8 products, and that includes your moisturizer. So if you're interested in content like this, stay tuned. New season. My name's Karen, and this is a lifestyle channel for women in their 50s, 60s, and beyond. To get started, I always wear sunscreen. This is Australian Gold Botanical Sunscreen Tinted Face Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and I'm just going to use this as my foundation. I'll be letting this set up for a few minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, I've let the sunscreen set for a few minutes, so we're going to move right along now. Let's do some Catrice Trueskin High Cover Concealer with hyaluronic acid. To blend these all out, I like to use my Angie BK Beauty A506 brush. This is her concealer brush, which I absolutely love. Okay, obviously I need some brows. So for that, I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Chocolate Brow Powder Duo. These are the colors. And just a little spoolie brush. So I always just brush them up. Then apply the powder. Okay, once I've got the powder on, then I just go ahead and do another fluff with the brush. Then I'm gonna take my Kosas Air Brow clear gel. Nice little tiny thing there, and just gently put a little bit of this on there just so that it will hold them in place. Now I'm going to move on to mascara. Today I'm using the Thrive. This is a coating mascara. I've been trying Liaison lash enhancing serum at night. I think it is helping. I'm gonna do a full review on that coming up. Because I've also been using a new face serum. I think it's Noomi from Stockholm, Sweden. This is a Birch Tech Hybrid Overnight Serum Cream. So they sent this to me to do a product review. So I have been testing this out, and I'm gonna do a dedicated video to this as well. This will be coming up soon. Okay, we've done complexion, concealer, brows, and lashes. And now I'm gonna do some Forever Peach. This is the Timeless Skin Cream Compact Blush by Laura Geller. And I'm just going to use a flat brush to kind of bounce this on. That's it. The last step is we're going to use a BK Beauty Lippy. This is Inner Beauty. Really pretty. Kind of dark rose shade. My lips are kind of a dark color, so I found that kind of matching my lip shade is the best for me. Basically, that's it. If I was going to do anything else, I would take a little bit of my Kosas Wet Lip Oil and just do this as a topper. This is it. This is my no makeup. I really do think that a lot of the reason that I'm able to get away with not using any more makeup than this is because of the Birch Tech Hybrid serum that I've been using. I'm really noticing that my deep wrinkles are diminishing. My neck is looking a little bit more firm, and just overall, I feel like I look a little more bright in the morning, which is great. Don't forget to stay tuned because we have more reviews coming up. Lash serum, the Birch Tech Hybrid face serum, and probably more gardening videos because I'm really getting into the spirit of the season. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you later. Bye.